Yo boys, welcome back to another video. Just finished editing today's trade. Today's Friday the 12th of December. Now, if you want to follow someone who posts everything, win, lose or break even, if you traded the Nasdaq today, then you already know what fucking happened. But if you want to watch this just out of entertainment and something to do, there you are, here you are. But yo, here's a shorter video. I'm just going to post it up, bang it up and be on with my day. But yo boys, love to everyone supporting. Big up every single one of you. Wish nothing but success on everyone. Another day, another dollar. What the fuck in? Let's go.
Right, market's just opened. All I ever wanted
Order filled.
All I ever wanted on my life. Ah, shit.
Order filled.
Not starting it. Done. Literally done, bro. Super quick. Just gotta sit calm and patient. You get me? Not a lot of volume going on. Oh, sick. Protein shake. It's been out of the fridge all night though. Milk and shit, I don't know. Monday, took for a drink on Tuesday. See, this is the thing, boys. When you're in a trade, you just gotta let that shit play out, innit? I'm trying to get funded and splash some cash on your body. Yo, I wanna splash some cash on your body, on your bum cheeks. Can you get freaky, freaky with me? You are a fucking sluzzer. Right, yo. So, obviously, we can't deny, we can't ignore. We've got to pay attention to this zone here. Price could simply reverse at this point, especially if there's not a lot of volume. So breaking and retesting, as you can see that. It's just if it can hold it, that's the issue. Because when it doesn't hold it, it's game over. But like yesterday, obviously I got stopped out of the trade yesterday, and it was a straight break and retest, innit? And then yesterday, what happened yesterday, bruv? I say break and retest. It came a little bit further back, but it came all the way up here, right? Boom, all the way up here, and then just fucking just dumped, bruv. And I missed that move yesterday, unfortunately. But hopefully we go again. What the fuck am I gonna do with that? What the fuck? Oh my, yo, what the? Someone want to tell me what the fuck I'm gonna do with that, eh? Well, if we was in buys today, we just got our kegs pulled down and bummed, bruv. What the fuck was that? My brother's just messaged me. Are you still in? Am I still in? Yeah, after that. Yeah, am I still in after that? No. Oh dear, bruv. Everyone just got fucking arse handed to them there, bruv. Everyone's just like, what was that, news or some shit? There's not even any news, bruv. This keeps happening, this. This has happened quite a few times, innit? Motherfuckers just had the arse handed. Well, here it is, boys. They're the trades from today. Not a winning day. Someone brother voicemail, are you still in? You are asking me if I'm still in? Bruv, that shit just pulled my kegs down and shoved something in my ass, bruv. That was... Boom. Boom. We're down 2R. Fuck it, man. It is what it is. That was some bollocks, though.